Alrighty guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can drive lots of free traffic to your Clickbank offers using the powerful Pinterest website. Alright, so you're going to want to stick around for this whole video and catch all the little details here. Alright, and we're going to get you started on that here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. As I said, I'm going to show you how you can drive lots of traffic to your Clickbank products using Pinterest. Alright, and it's a pretty simple method here, but a lot of details involved in this. So let's get the formal stuff out of the way. My name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time to my videos, I want you to reach down there right now and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly on this channel. And for you guys that have been here before to my videos and or to my channel and you still haven't subscribed yet, shame on you. I don't know what's holding you back. You should reach down there right now while you're thinking about it, hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Alrighty guys, first of all too, here at the outset I want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. This is Thanksgiving Day today, November the 28th, 2019. And I want to thank you for being a subscriber and for taking a little time out of your day if you celebrate Thanksgiving. I know there's a lot of folks in other parts of the world that may not celebrate it, but this is for most of us folks here in America who celebrate Thanksgiving. And I want to thank you for taking a little time out of your day and coming and being a part of this channel and watching this video here today, okay? Alright guys, well with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in on this incredibly easy, simple, great method to drive traffic to our Clickbank products, alright? So as usual, we're going to come over here and of course we're going to go to Clickbank first here and pick up our product. Now I've already done a little research on this already to sort of try to get ahead here so I don't take up too much of your guys' time here and shorten this video down a little bit in terms of time, okay? So what we're going to do, you're going to come to Clickbank. If you don't have a Clickbank product, it's easy to create, a Clickbank account I should say. It's easy to create one for free. You just create a free account and then you want to click on Marketplace and it'll bring you over to here to the Marketplace page where you can see all the products that are listed here in the categories on the left. Now for this example I chose the Lepitox in the weight loss and the health and fitness and dietary supplements right here. It's a weight loss product and it's as we can open it up here you can see that it is a video that talking about this particular product that helps people lose weight and help their cravings for different types of foods and things that may keep them from losing weight. Okay, it's a pretty good product. This product you can make $68 per sale, $68.55 to be exact. Okay, so anyways, now that we have our product, let's go ahead and we're going to choose this. Now you guys can use any one of these products that you want. You can use any. Organifi is good, Bio-optimizers here, anyone that's got a good high gravity. So you see the one I'm chosen has got 241 gravity, which I sorted by gravity here. Okay, it's really high. It means it's selling really well on the internet. The higher the gravity, the better it's selling on the internet right now. Okay, so but you can use any one of these that you want down here. Just pick one, it doesn't matter. Okay, now what we're going to do, of course, then next is first we're going to come over to Pinterest. This is where we're going to drive our traffic from. Now like I told you guys, I already did a little research ahead here, okay? If you'll notice right here in the search engine up here, I typed in weight loss. I've found out through research that the weight loss niche on Pinterest seems to be the best or the most frequented niche or the best niche on Pinterest of all other niches, it seems. And now primarily the weight loss niche is more geared toward women. You're going to be marketing to women more than you are men in this particular niche. Okay, now what we want to do is we're not going to be making Pinterest pins. We're not going to be posting any pins. We're just going to be using other pins that are already posted. Okay, so I've done a little research on this already. So if I come down here, I want to show you this. If I come down here, for example, and I click on this one right here. So what we're looking for is we're looking at pins that have to do with weight loss, because that's what our product is involved with on Clickbank, right? So on Pinterest here, I've clicked on this one here. It talks about if you're over 200 pounds, your diet plan, so on, to lose 50 pounds. And if we notice down here, this particular pin has been saved or pinned 1,000 times already. Okay, and whoops, I got off of it there. It's been saved 1,000 times, as you see right here, down here at the bottom. And it has about 33 comments on it. Now I'm going to show you something here. If you'll notice on some of these comments here, that people are already on here doing what I'm going to show you. They are promoting Clickbank products. So for example, if we take just this top comment right here by this person named Andre here, and we highlight that bit.ly link right there and copy it and bring it over into another tab in our browser and paste it and go, you'll see that it'll brings us back over here. This is the Cinderella solution, weight loss solution, that is very popular also on Clickbank. You can use that one if you want. Okay, so you can see that other people are promoting Clickbank products as well on here as well. So some of these other folks, there's another one probably right there. And if we click down on these comments here and open these comments up, there are other people that are promoting Clickbank products as well down through here. As you can see, there's others through here that are promoting these too. This, like right here, probably takes you to a website, but I bet it goes to a Clickbank product. So the thing about this is it's already, this particular pin or picture already has 33 comments on it. Okay, the ideal thing that you want is you want to get your comment within the first 5 comments on a post. Okay, we're going to be promoting our product by comments on other people's pins. This way you don't have to create a Pinterest pin yourself. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, and still drive a lot of traffic. How do we know? For example, let's click on this particular profile that this pin is on. So if I click on Healthoria here, it takes us over, and you see that this particular profile this person has gets 2.1 million monthly viewers. You see that? 2.1 million. And then if you scroll down, you see some of the other posts and stuff. What we want to do is we want to find a high trafficked site like this, and we want to pick on the latest posts. Now, these are the latest posts right here. In other words, the ones that have been posted recently or pinned recently here on this board on Facebook, on Pinterest, not Facebook. I'm getting tongue-tied here, trying to talk too fast. But anyways, these are the latest pins. Now, most of these have to do with like exercising and things like that. You don't see much about weight loss here. But if we scroll down all the way down here, you'll probably see some of the other ones, or maybe that one that we picked on there first. So this is mostly, but we want to find one that has to do with weight loss and that has a low amount of pins and a low amount of comments, because that'll be the latest weight loss pin that we need to put our product or our Clickbank product on, right? So if I come back and we want to find one that's a late pin that doesn't have that many. Now, like I said, I've researched this out, and there's one down here I found. Now, you guys are going to have to take some time and do this same type of research that I've done. Just look at different pins, and you'll see what I'm talking about here once we get through this. Alright, so if I scroll down, and I found this one right here, this particular pin right here. You see it? 8 habits of fit girls that destroy weight. That's a weight loss pin. So if I click on that, we can see that this pin here has about 419 only saves to it. Okay, and then it has no comments. Now if I go over here and click on the profile for that, I can see that it has 10 million plus monthly followers. So that one's going to be a pretty good one to go on. So so if we click on some of these other latest pins, we scroll down and look for the latest pins. These are the featured ones here, but it looks like it has to do with food. We want something to do that's related to our product. something to do with weight loss, right? So um, I'm gonna pick on this one right here. It's a late post. In this particular, here we go. Here's a good one. See, this only has 4 saves, 4 pins, and look, it has no comments. So that, like I said, you want to get one of these pins that has a low amount of saves on a high trafficked profile, a low amount of saves, and no comments preferably. And you want to get your comment within the first 5 comments. Okay, see where I'm going with this? So we're going to click on comment here, and we're going to get lucky and get our comment or our product that we're promoting in Clickbank on here first on this particular pin. And it's a very new one because it's only got 4 saves so far. So we're getting in here early, which is a good thing. Now, for our comment, what we're going to do is post on here. Now, I've already written up a nice little comment to post in here. If you'll see right here, I said my wife was able to lose over 40 pounds in a short period of time within a month with this product. Okay, and I say it may work for you also, and then you can see it here. So what I'm going to do is copy this. Just remember, you're not trying to sell to them, okay? You just want to offer something to them. Let them make their own mind up to click on your link, right? So we're going to copy that and bring that back over here, and we're going to paste that right in here. Now, some people, let me straighten this up a little bit. Some people tell you that you cannot put affiliate links on Pinterest. Well, that's not true. Obviously, you can. You've seen where I showed you where other people are posting their affiliate links as well, right? All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to come back here to Clickbank now. We got our post in there on a real good one with low amount of saves. It's a fresh pin, no comments yet. We're going to get the first spot in our comments, and we're going to come back to Clickbank, and I'm going to click on promote on my product that I choose right here, right? Click promote, and then make sure that my account nickname is in there. And I think on this one I will put in a Pinterest, put Pinterest there as my tracking link, so I know that when I get a click I'll know where it comes from, and so on and so forth. And you can do that. It's optional. You don't have to put a tracking link in there if you don't want to. Click on generate the hop link. There's my link. Going to copy the link and then move that back, and then we're going to come over here to Bitly. Remember I showed you guys about bitly.com, right? That's where you can shorten up your links at, right? Make them look better rather than that ugly old Clickbank link. So you want to paste your Clickbank link in there, and it's got your tag on it there, Pinterest, and then click on shorten, and it gives us this link right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to test it first. You always want to test because Bitly, I mean, I've never had one not work, but you just always want to make sure. It's a good idea to test it. So I'll paste it in there and go, and we'll test it and see where it takes us. Takes us right where it should go with our affiliate link attached right to that, right? Alright, so then we're going to come back to Pinterest with it, and then I'm going to paste that Bitly link right in here next to my comment where it says you can see it here. And then just click on done, and it'll post it. And then you also want to click on like. Be the first one to like it too. Anybody, people are going to be more apt to click a link that has a couple likes on it or whatever from other people. So click like on it too, and make sure that it has a like on it. That way they don't know who the like came from, but it will. Yeah, well, they can if they click on it. That's me, so they'll see that it's me, the one that posted it. So it doesn't matter, but it has a like on it. That's attractive too, as well, to a comment. So there you go. Now, that's how you do that, guys. Now, next thing after that, then you just want to go through and find another a pin that has to do with weight loss. Okay, so we've done that one, and we can go ahead and then come back and then pick another. Find another one that has to do with weight loss and simply do the same thing, right? As you can see that there's some down here. Just keep scrolling down. Here's one, 6 habits of people who lose weight fast. We can click on it. We see that it also only has 4. It's a relatively new post on this particular site here, not site, but profile that has over what, 2.1 million followers, wasn't it? So we can do the same thing here. Going to click on comment. We're going to grab our comment that we wrote out and just paste it right in there and make it look a little bit better here. And then grab my bit.ly link back here, copy the bit.ly link here, bring it back to Pinterest and paste it right in there after that comment you see right there, and then just click done and then click like. And there you go, guys. That's how you do that. Alright, well guys, that's what I wanted to show you today, an easy way that you can drive lots of traffic to your Clickbank affiliate offers. Alright, that's a simple way to do that, and didn't take long to show you either. Alright guys, well don't forget to reach down there and hit that subscribe button, and if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here. Okay, also if you want to make some real money and you want to quit fooling around with these little Clickbank products, reach down there in the top of the description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check out my business there, where you can get involved and make $4,000 in one day possibility, and have your own business up and running in about 15 days or less, and have your first sale, and get out of that 9 to 5 job that you guys are traveling back and forth to every day that you hate, and have a business of your own online. Just be willing to work it and you will succeed also. Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you go with that. I'll see you guys later here on the next video in a couple of days or so. Guys, have a happy Thanksgiving today and have a wonderful day with your families. Thanks for coming to the channel and watching this video. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one now. Bye-bye.